Good morning, children. Today we are going to do a new poem, Unit 5. The poem name is Merry Go Round. Now, can you tell me what is this picture about? Yes, this is a picture about a fun fair. It is a picture about a what? Fun fair. We see many people are enjoying the fair. What it is? It is a fair picture, fun fair picture. फन फेयर मीन्स व्हाट? मेला. आप सब लोग मेले में गए हो अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ. मेला आता है, उसमें हम जाते हैं ना मेले में, राइट. सो what you see in the fair, we see a balloon man. What is this? This is a balloon man. He is selling balloons. Your train ride is there. What? It is a ride of a train which is running on the track. This over here you can see, it is a picture of a marigold. A girl is sitting on a horse and she is going round and round, round and round. So today, children, we will learn a poem about a fair. The poem name is Merry Go Round. So we will read about a small girl. What we are going to read about? A small girl who is going to the fair with the parents, and she is enjoying the ride of merry-go-round. How she is enjoying it, that we will see. Okay, so we'll start with the poem. Merry-go-round. I climbed up on the merry-go-round and it went round and round. You can see a girl is there, right? You can see a girl is there. A girl where she is sitting on a horse. This is a merry-go-round picture. And when the merry-go-round starts, how it goes? It goes round and round. Yes, it goes round and round. So here the girl is sharing her experience, how she is enjoying the merry-go-round ride. I climbed up on the merry-go-round and it went round and round. How does merry-go moves? It moves round and round. I climbed up on a big brown horse. Now you can see over here where the girl is sitting. She is sitting on a horse. What is the color of the horse? Brown color. What is the color of the horse? Brown color. So she is saying, I climbed up on a big brown horse and it went up and down. How it goes? It goes up and down, up and down when it moves, round and round, and up and down, around and round, and up and down. It shows the position of the horse, how it is going when the merry-go-round starts. The girl is saying around and round. It goes up and again it comes down. What happened first? When the round starts of the merry-go-round, the round goes up, then again it comes down. Again around and round, again it goes up, again it comes down. I sat high up on a big brown horse. Where did the girl sit? The girl was sitting on a big brown horse and rode around. And rode around means she was sitting on a big brown horse and she was feeling that as if she is herself is doing the horse riding on the merry-go-round and rode around. And where she was sitting on the merry-go-round and rode around, moving here and there. On the merry-go-round I rode around. On the merry-go-round, around and round and so on. So she is saying it's such a fun to sit on a merry-go-round on a horse, and when it moves, sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down, again it goes up, again it goes down, and it goes on moving round and round and round and round and so on. So once again we'll read the poem, children. Merry-go-round. I climbed up on the merry-go-round and it went round and round, and it went round and round. I climbed up on a big brown horse, and it went up and down, around and round and up and down, around and round and up and down. I sat high up, where she was sitting, sat high up, very high, on the big brown horse, and rode around on the merry-go-round and rode around. On the merry-go-round I rode around. On the merry-go-round, round and so on. Now we will read the new words. A round. Around means what? AROUND. Around means what? To move round and round. गोल गोल घूमना कहते हैं ना हमें, हम वो. Down. DOW and down. Down means what? नीचे जाना, वापस ऊपर जाना, नीचे जाना, ऊपर जाना, like that. in. In. On. You can see over here a boy sitting on a stool, so it is on. On. And you can see over here something is inside the box, so it is in. Out. Out means बाहर निकलना. ROUND round, गोल गोल घूमना. up means ऊपर चढ़ना, नीचे जाना. घोड़ा किस तरह से घूम रहा था मैरी गो राउंड में? अप एंड डाउन. तो कभी वो ऊपर एकदम राउंड लेने चला जाता था, फिर डाउन, फिर अगेन इट कम्स डाउन. सो अप एंड डाउन. अप मीन्स टू मूव अपवर्ड्स. लेट्स रीड. I ride on a horse. I ride on a horse. Now we'll go to the next page. Now children, you can see over here, go round the merry-go-round. Go round the merry-go-round. Circle the letters and say them aloud. Circle the letters. Now over here you can see alphabets are given. So what we have to do? We have to circle at the small letters and we have to say with it. A, we circle on A. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So in blue it is also given. Then down also it is given. On top of the merry-go-round, on top also K, L, M, N, and so on. So you have to circle the letters and you have to say with it. What you have to do? You have to say, circle also, and you have to continue say with the letters also, which letters you have circled the small letters. So I hope you have enjoyed the poem. Now next time when you go in the fair, remember to enjoy a lot. We go in the fair, what do we see? We see all different types of rides. You can see over here all different types of rides we can see. Over here also we can see how the children are enjoying. There is a balloon man over here. There is a stall over here. Toy shop is there. See over here you can see toy shop. The children are standing over here, right, with their parents. Over here two children are there, girl and boy. They are purchasing the balloons. So all these things we enjoy in the fair. In the fair we find all these things in the fair, that is mela we say. So dear children, I hope you have understood the poem. Now we will do new words and answer the following. After the poem merry-go-round, now we'll start with the new words exercise. Number 1, CLIMB, climb. Number 2, NERRY, merry. Number 3, ROUND, round. Number 4, BROWN, brown. Number 5, HORSE, horse. Number 6, DOWN, down. Number 7, HIGH, high. Number 8, RODE, road. Now we'll go to the answer the following. Question 1. How did the merry-go-round go? How did the merry-go-round go? Answer 1. It moved round and round. What is the or how the merry-go-round works? It goes round and round. So it moved round and round. Question 2. How did the big brown Question 2. How did the big brown horse go? Answer 2. The big brown horse went up and down. The big brown horse went up and down. Once again, we'll say answer the following questions. Question 1. How did the merry-go-round go? It moved round and round. It moved round and round. Question 2. How did the big brown horse go? Answer 2. The big brown horse went up and down. Please write the poem in your notebook, merry-go-round, new words, and answer the following with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.